I got a fucking rat, y'all. This motherfucker done probably, oh my God, listen. This motherfucker. Yes, that's where, yeah, I can see him moving. I can see this shit moving. You see that shit? I done caught, man, listen here, I don't fuck with no motherfucking rats. You understand me? And motherfuckers told me, they say, look, man, they say San Diego got a real bad motherfucking rat problem. I've been here over a year, I ain't seen no roaches, no rats, no nothing, right? So last night, this morning, I heard some I ain't thinking nothing of it, you know what I'm saying, shit, you know? Cause, I got hardwood floors and shit. You see what I'm saying? Like, I mean, nothing, you know what I'm saying? So I take a bath and shit, and I come in this motherfucker to leave, and I hear I said, oh shit, the fuck is that, nigga? And I hear the motherfucker, you see what I'm saying? Like, oh shit, nigga, I'm scared of motherfucking rats, nigga. I don't fuck with no motherfucking rats, nigga. I don't do that shit. You know what I'm saying? So I'm calling motherfucker, they talking about tomorrow. Bitch, tomorrow, bitch, you better get your ass today, nigga. You know what I'm saying? And not only get the so if he trapped right there, that means he came from in the, like, outside in the, like, what everybody say, you know? Oh my God, nigga. The fuck is this shit, nigga? You know what I'm saying, nigga? I'm in this motherfucker like, oh, you gonna die today, bitch. You gonna die today, motherfucker. That motherfucker gonna die. And I want them to send a message, bitch. How the fuck he get... This is the thing where you put the the fan on. I wouldn't have turn the fucking fan on, will it chop his ass up. You know what I'm saying? So that's where he came from. He came from out the walls, and cause how else you gonna get inside this motherfucker? You can't, you know what I'm saying? Like, this motherfucker in the thing, he came from in the goddamn wall. I bet it's the motherfuckers that just moving. Boy, look at him. That's why I hate living in fucking apartments, nigga. But yeah, little motherfucker up there, you gonna die, bitch. You gonna die today, motherfucker. You gonna die today. Motherfucker told me talking about $75. Come on, bitch. I don't give a fuck. Bitch, it could be $300. Bring and listen here. I want to see a dead motherfucking rat, bitch. You don't get no motherfucking money if I don't see a motherfucking rat, bitch. This nigga gonna die. Bitch, you got the right motherfucking house today, nigga. The fuck wrong with this, nigga? Nigga, I don't play no motherfucking rats, nigga. No, sir, nigga. You hear him? Listen. Yeah, bitch. You gonna die today, motherfucker. You gonna die today, motherfucker. No motherfucking rat. God damn, that shit scary. I thought the motherfucker was in the shits. Cause I'm gonna tell you where I thought he came from. Back in here, it's a hole. Where that motherfucker at? No, it's in here. See this? I thought the motherfucker came from like back up in here. Like right there. See that? Right there. I thought that's where he came from. You see what I'm saying? Because there's a hole, that shit right there. I don't know if y'all see that, but I thought he came from right there. You know? So when I heard this shit, I didn't realize that, you know, because I'm thinking, I ain't got no fucking rats, nigga. You know, my house clean, nigga. I don't got no fucking carpet. How in the fuck I got rats? You know what I'm saying? And so I'm thinking maybe he came out the walls and that shit right there, but he didn't, nigga. Ain't no rat. I don't know where the fuck he come from, but that motherfucker right up in there, and that nigga gonna die. Yeah, bitch, you gonna die, motherfucker. I ought to be nice like and smoke some weed and blow some weed up in that motherfucker. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get your ass high. I'm gonna get the rat high, y'all. Get one of these roaches. These roaches, nigga. See if I can get the rat high. Calm his ass down. Give me that light in my fucking rat. Get his ass high. See if the weed calm his ass down. What you think? You right there. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you. Fuck you. I'ma burn your ass up, bitch. How can I torture this motherfucker? I wanna torture this motherfucker. I really do. What can I do? What can I do to torture this motherfucking rat? You fuck with the wrong one, bitch. Let's open these motherfuckers right here. Bitch. Burn your ass up, bitch. Oh, shit. I know. I know. I know. So what's up, y'all? Hey, I'm straight, you understand? We all got problems and shit. You know what I'm saying? So, the motherfucker coming over. And, shut the fuck up. Good thing he can't eat through that motherfucker. You know you a dead motherfucker, right? You a dead motherfucker. You can scream all the fuck you want. You dead, nigga. Alright, what's up? Here we go. Now, I ain't gonna tell y'all how much I'm paying for this shit, but I'm gonna pass the cost on. Yeah, laugh what you motherfucking want. I heard something screaming. I called somebody. That's me. I'm not that brave motherfucker that go looking and shit. You know what I'm saying? I called some motherfucker, and that's what I did. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not ashamed. Here we go. My man, we think it's a bird, and so what it is, see right here? It's like the vent thing, and they think the shit fell. You know? I was like, man, you know, I ain't gonna lie, I thought it was a rat the whole time until somebody told me it might be a bird. You know? Alright, here we go. Here we go. Alright. Here we go. Let's see. Get a good shot of it. Oh, yeah. You see something?
Yeah, you right there.
It's a bird?
Yeah, I don't want to scare. Hold on.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. Don't let that motherfucker fly in my house, man. Don't let that motherfucker.
Let me see.
What you want me to do? Want me to hold the thing for you or something while you get the bag or something?
You ever have masking tape?
Masking tape? Yeah, I got some.
Can I borrow something in this place?
Yeah. Things right here.
There's that spinning van on right here. So, he's on the other side. So
he on the other side. Okay.
I kind of need to pull him out.
All right, hold on a second. Let me. God damn, I got. Wait a minute. I got some of this right now, but I got some more tape if I can. All right, try that. Hey, that's good, cause see, I wouldn't put my motherfucking hand in it ain't nowhere. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. I probably would've let the shit drop it and let it kind of like come out or something, but I wasn't finna stick my motherfucking hand. I don't play them games. Man, I swear I thought that motherfucker was a rat. Bro. I was like, Oh, that motherfucker sound big.
He's actually kind of small.
It's small little bird.
Yeah, he probably fits in my hand. When they told me you had a rat in your stove cot, I said, better not be no crazy old lady. Get those all the time. It's like, man, that's a plumbing line.
I'm telling you, man, I heard the shit this morning. I was asleep. You know, I heard it. You know, like this, the
Little boom, boom.
yeah, you know, but I thought it was dust, you know, like that, you know.
Yeah,
I thought it was that. I wasn't paying the shit no attention. I got up and took a shower and shit, and I got up ready to leave, and I heard it scratching, but I thought it was. First I heard the scratching, and then I heard the screaming. I don't know what, man. I just thought rat, and I went crazy, man. I don't do the rat shit. So I'm gonna go ahead and smoke something. Look at all this shit. Look at all this shit. Look at all the motherfucking weed. Like the wind though. The wind gonna blow this shit out. Watch this. I gotta stop that shit. I don't know where I'm. Oh shit. There you go. Oh, that's a big ass. What the fuck? Let me see. Oh shit. God damn. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let me see. Let me get a good shit shot on him. Oh shit. Don't let. Oh, he gonna bite your ass. He gonna bite your ass. Look at him. That
So he's like, man, I could have got him.
Look at this motherfucker right there. What's up? Let me get my money worth first. Now let me get my money. This the money shot. This the money shot. Right there. All right, now wait a minute. Hold on. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Ah, look at him, little motherfucker. He gonna be bound to back, little motherfucker.
I'm gonna take him outside in the
All
front.
right. Okay.
I don't want to drop him out here.
Okay. All right. You gonna let him go. Little motherfucker. Oh, check him out. Little bird caught me all that goddamn trouble.
Hope he's alright.
Hold on. Let me shit my shit. Let me shit my shit. All right, here we go. Move, Sheba. Oh, there you go. Oh, y'all greased up. Look at that little butt. Sheba, stop. Oh, Sheba, stop. There you go. Oh, he probably a little hurt. Look at the little bird that was trapped in my shit. Where you at?
He might be living.
Yeah,
He was kind of stuck.
Stop, Sheba. Come here. Let me get a little good look at him. There you go. Yeah, he a little fucked up. He alright though.
Yeah, he's good.
He gonna be alright.
He's good.
Ah, shit. He done went in motherfucking laundry room. Oh yeah, you better hurry up, cause he got them kids, boy. They gonna fuck his ass up. Yeah, he'll be alright. He'll come out.
Yeah, he'll be good.
He'll come out. All right, baby. Y'all seen that OG Mike Adventures. I'm giving shouts out to my man right there, Angel.
Call us up.
With pest control
Look us
right
up on
there,
Yelp.
man. Here we go. What's up? He did a great motherfucking job, big man. And we out.